If you run a small or medium business, adding MFA is one of the smartest ways to protect your team from stolen passwords, phishing attacks, and credential misuse. Both Duo Security and Microsoft Authenticator help you add that extra verification layer, but they take slightly different approaches. Let's see what makes each one stand out and which might fit your business best. Duo Security is built as a full identity and access platform designed for businesses of all sizes, including SMBs. You get phishing-resistant MFA, device trust, adaptive access policies, and single sign-on out of the box. The solution is built to scale as you grow, and the vendor markets dedicated editions and support for small and medium teams. One of Duo's strongest features is its focus on phishing resistance and flexible authentication methods. You can mix biometric options, device verification, push notifications, hardware tokens, or software tokens. Because the system verifies both who the user is and whether the device is trusted, it helps reduce risks from unknown or unmanaged endpoints. Setup can be quite friendly. The vendor provides self-service tools so users can register their devices, recover accounts, and manage their MFA methods without heavy IT intervention. That is especially helpful when you have remote or bring-your-own-device users. Microsoft Authenticator is part of the broader Microsoft identity ecosystem, tied to directory, cloud identity, and conditional access policies. It supports multiple authentication methods, including app notifications, one-time passcodes, passkeys, biometrics, and passwordless login. It also integrates tightly with identity directory services. A big strength here is conditional access. SMBs that are already using Microsoft identity platforms can enforce multi-factor authentication based on risk signals, location, device state, or other conditions. That lets you apply MFA only when needed, reducing friction for trusted scenarios. Microsoft Authenticator supports passkeys, FIDO2, WebAuthn, enabling passwordless sign-ins that are phishing-resistant. Users can approve sign-in requests from their device or use biometrics or device PIN. That means less reliance on passwords and stronger protection. Both solutions will significantly improve security and defend against credential theft. The best fit depends on your IT environment, tool stack, and how much control or simplicity you prefer. Either tool will help secure your team with modern authentication. Choose based on what fits your workflow and infrastructure.